Now here we have to find the n, and what is given, they have given to us, given left hand side is n plus 1 factorial and this is equal to 12 with n minus 1 factorial. Now again what we have to do right in the beginning, which is the least value here? Least value is n minus 1. This is more, this is less. Okay. So we have to convert this into this part. We are not supposed to factorize means factorial part for n minus 1. Okay. Just look what I am doing. Now to this part, now n plus 1, first will be n plus 1, one thing, then 1 less than n plus 1, n plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So we can stop here, and this is equal to 12, and in the running long when you are having a nice practice, then you can directly go for this one. Okay. So here we can write it now, n minus 1 factorial. Now to this, now here we can use this also. Okay. So now this becomes n plus 1 n factorial is equal to 12 n minus 1 factorial. Now further to this, what we can write it, n plus 1. Now here n factorial is n and n minus 1 factorial. One term less than n, that is n minus 1 factorial. Now this becomes 12 n minus 1 factorial. Now both the terms, these two terms are equal. Now here this one and here this one. Okay. So we can cancel these two terms. So what we are having now? We are having n plus 1 with n is equal to 12. Okay. Now you can go either just open the bracket and factorize it, or one nice method I am telling you, if it is there, then now we are having here n plus 1, this is equal to 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is what? 12. So if n is 3, then n plus 1 is 4. Is it clear? So n is equal to 3 is the answer. This is basically for the computation part. Okay. Either you can just open it, make a quadratic equation, factorize it, then you will be getting value for